Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Let's study with Ranjana ma'am, and today I'll be discussing about general features of WBC. And in our previous video we have discussed about the function and general features of RBC, and all these videos are the continuation of our circulatory system, which is also very important topic of your class 10th ICSE syllabus. Now today WBC. You all know WBC, it is the another composition of blood. WBC or white blood cells. White blood cells. What are the general characteristics of WBC? First characteristics, it is irregular in shape, regular, and has a nucleus. Okay. From this point you can differentiate it with RBC, that RBC is biconcave in shape and also RBC do not have nucleus. Students, one thing you should know, जैसे मैं जब notes बनाती थी, when I was writing the difference between anything, जब कुछ difference दिया है, suppose यहाँ पे RBC का difference दिया है, यहाँ पे WBC का difference दिया है, तो I am writing here the points of RBC and WBC, but apart from this I also made the drawing of RBC and WBC. अगर मुझे 4 डिफरेंस लिखना है तो उसमें एक डिफरेंस में ड्राइंग का ज़रूर देती थी, और मैं 4 डिफरेंस लिखने के बाद एक दोनों ड्राइंग ज़रूर देती थी. फॉर दैट मार्क्स इसमें थोड़ा बूस्टिंग होता है मार्क्स में, और कुछ नहीं. तो if you are giving a difference between RBC and WBC, the first point is it is biconcave in shape, RBC is biconcave in shape, and WBC is irregular in shape. RBC does not have a nucleus, WBC has a nucleus, WBC have a nucleus. and उसके बाद आप क्या कर सकते हो, उसके बाद फंक्शन बहुत सारा डिफरेंस है, एस्पेक्ट इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ फंक्शन and everything, and finally you can draw the picture of RBC as well as in the side of WBC. okay, for that you can get more marks. इसमें क्या थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होगा आपका आंसर शीट देखने में, that's it. तो this is the second, it is irregular and has a nucleus. And the next point, WBC is also called leukocytes. okay, leukocytes. One thing, RBC को हम लोग क्या कहते थे, एरिथ्रोसाइट, and WBC is also called leukocytes. Fine. Next general feature is WBC. It fights with disease producing germs. okay. हमारे बॉडी में इनसाइड और बॉडी ब्लड फाइट्स विद जर्म्स, एंड ब्लड का कौन सा कॉम्पोजिशन, WBC fights with germs. okay, now in our next video I'll be discussing about the types of WBC, where we'll be discussing about the types of different names of WBC, in which some WBC performs the protection role by phagocytosis, and some WBC performs the role of protection by producing antibody. That means WBC performs the role of protection by 2 ways. The first way is phagocytosis. okay, and the second way is producing antibody. okay, now phagocytosis क्या होता है, खाना. okay, खा जाना, something is related to खाना, that is phagocytosis. तो how WBC performs its role as phagocytosis क्या होता है, WBC क्या है, WBC is irregular in shape, ये है. okay, suppose यहाँ पे germs है, तो what WBC, आप लोगों ने एमीबा का पढ़ा होगा, कैसे एमीबा परफॉर्म करता है, कैसे वो अपना खाना खाता है. तो in like the same way WBC भी इस तरह से आगे बढ़ के जर्म्स को पूरा कैप्चर कर लेता है. इट कैप्चर्स द जर्म्स एंड इट engulf germs. Okay, in this way it performs the role of phagocytosis. Okay, so this is the first way how WBC performs its role of protection. Now the second way is producing antibody. Some यहाँ पे suppose this is, अगर कोई germs enter किया तो WBC suddenly क्या करते हैं, they producing chemicals and these chemicals are called antibody. Okay, so this is the second way how WBC performs its role for protection. Okay, now one thing, WBC को पता कैसे चलता है कि कोई germs हमारे बॉडी में एंटर किया है, किसी जर्म्स ने हमारे बॉडी में एंटर किया. हाउ WBC knows that some foreign particles has entered inside our body? Actually what happened, when any foreign particles, any germs, any bacteria, any protozoa when enters into our body, it produces chemicals. As they enters into our body, it starts producing chemicals, and this chemicals stimulates the WBC to produce their antibody, their fighting agent. Okay, and in this way WBC produces their chemicals, or this is called antibody. Okay, so this is the again next feature. Now next feature of WBC is inflammation. What happen? अगर आपको कहीं पे चोट लग जाती है, या सपोज आपको कुछ कहीं पे लग गया या कुछ काट लिया, तो व्हाट विल सी देयर इज अ स्वेलिंग. ओके, वहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है, फूल सा जाते हैं, एक स्वेलिंग हो जाती है. What does it means? It doesn't means कि आपको कुछ हुआ है. It means that your WBC starts functioning. Okay, क्या होता है जब कहीं पे चोट लगती है या कुछ काट लेता है, तो वहाँ पे WBC चारों तरफ से WBC गैदर्स एट दैट एरिया, और गैदरिंग की वजह से वो एरिया क्या हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा फूल सा जाता है. इट एंड दिस स्वेलिंग इज कॉल्ड इन्फ्लामेशन. दिस इज अगेन अनदर फीचर ऑफ WBC, इन्फ्लामेशन. ओके, आप लोगों ने नोट कर लिया तो मैं इसको इरेज कर देती हूँ. द नेक्स्ट फीचर इज inflammation, or you can say swelling. Okay, when any mosquito bites, anything, any insect bites, you will see that there is a swelling on that area, and this swelling means that your WBC starts performing its role. Okay, they starts gathering there to fight the germs which enters by any bite. Okay, so this is called inflammation. Okay, the next property, the general feature is WBC forms, where it forms bone marrow, in bone marrow. Same RBC में हमने पढ़ा था कि in adults RBCs are formed in bone marrow, and in embryonic condition it forms in liver and spleen, and WBC is formed in bone marrow. Okay, and इनका लाइफ स्पैन क्या है? What is the lifespan of WBC? Around 2 weeks. Okay, this is the lifespan of WBC. Now एक टर्म आपने देखा होगा अपने बुक में, you must have seen in your book, diapedesis. Diapedesis. What is it? What does this terms means? Actually what happened? ये हमारा blood vessels है, and there is a WBC inside it. There are so many WBC inside it. Okay. Now what happened? As any germs enters into our body, in that condition what happens? These WBCs are oozing out from the wall. Okay, they are oozing out. Okay, from the wall of the vessels, and this oozing out of WBC from the wall of the vessels, this is called diapedesis. Understand? This is called diapedesis. Oozing of WBC from the wall of the vessel, this is called diapedesis. Now, two conditions. Okay, as we have done also in RBC, abnormal increase of WBC and abnormal decrease of WBC count. Abnormal increase WBC. This condition is called leukemia. Leukemia. This is also cancer. Okay. And the abnormal decrease WBC count, this is called leukopenia. Okay. So this is whole general features of WBC. Okay. In our next video, we will be discussing about the types of WBC. Okay. This is also very important topic of your class 10th syllabus, types of WBC, where we'll be knowing about the what are the types of WBC, how many types of WBCs are there, and also we also will be knowing about which WBC performs the role of phagocytosis, which WBC performs the role of producing antibody. Okay, I hope you understand this video, students. You can note it down from here, or you can take screenshot from here. If you like this video, please give your valuable feedback in my comment box, and if you have any query, any question, any question regarding to life science or even physics and chemistry, please drop your question in my comment box. Till then, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.